I just bought this ORINAR under the desk walking treadmill, and I wanted to make a video just doing a review of it and talking about why I purchased it. First of all, it comes ready to go right out of the box. It's got a battery in the remote. It comes with the tool if you need to tighten up the belt at all on the back. So comes with the tool. It also comes with lubricant as well. But this thing's ready to go right out of the box, so you don't need to use any of that. The mat is super nice. Basically, it's like a 5-layer absorption anti-slip mat. One thing I want to say, actually, before I cover the features I like about this treadmill, I wanted to tell you why I specifically bought this ORINAR under the desk treadmill. This thing is currently selling. Typically, when I buy on Amazon, I hate having to make returns. So I usually go with what everyone else is doing. And this treadmill has hundreds and hundreds of 4.5 to 5-star written reviews. And it also is currently selling over 4,000 units per month on Amazon alone. So whenever I see numbers like that, it lets me know that I'm probably going to be pretty pleased with my purchase. So this thing is really awesome. And cover some of my favorite features, then I'll operate it and show you how it works real quick. So the thing I like about this specific under the desk treadmill, I'll be transparent. I've tested out probably, I would say 20, honestly, probably like 30 under the desk treadmills, maybe even more at this point. So I've got a lot of experience testing them out. This under the desk treadmill is definitely on the sturdier side. It's a little bit bigger. So it has a little bit bigger of a, I think it's a tad bit wider, but it's a bit longer. It's got a lot more. It's still lightweight, and I'll show you that. It's still lightweight. It's got wheels on the front, so it's very easy to move, but it's much sturdier and a little bit bigger than the other under the desk treadmills that you're gonna find. Basically, remote is very easy to use. You have the power button here, play and pause, and then you've got the speed up and down, as well as the mode button, which you can change. Right up here is where you're going to see everything on the top, and that's going to be time, speed, distance, and calories. And then I'll go ahead and operate it. Cool thing about this one is it goes up to 3.8 miles per hour, and that's really good for like a very brisk walk. And if you're using this as an under the desk treadmill, you're probably never going to be, if you're using it while you're working, you're probably never going to be going above, honestly, probably you're not going to go above 2.5, I don't think, because it starts to get difficult to multitask, at least for me. But let's go up to 3.8 just so you can see that. Very smooth. I mean, honestly, this is probably the smoothest under the desk walking pad that I've tried. And it's got a real solid feel to it. And I can see up here on the front. Actually, you know what? Let me just show you. So right here is where you've got the time, speed, distance, and calories. I'll go ahead and turn it off. But that's where all that stuff shows up. So it'll flash between those. And it's got a really sturdy under as well. You have 3 different spots where it's contacting the ground, and they're all like silicone or rubber. So they're not going to scratch your floors. I've got hardwood floors here. I don't want those scratched. Works really well. Honestly, dude, I can't recommend this one enough. I think you're going to be really pleased with it. I also really like that kind of like graphite silver look. Something about it makes it pop. Highly recommend.